This gorgeous, modern farmhouse, constructed in 2019, is ideally located in the heart of wine country. Situated on 5 peaceful acres, enjoy quiet solitude and wildlife at the end of this country lane. Discover a magnificent great room with laminate wood flooring, abundant windows, French doors, and vaulted ceiling soaring to 23 feet. The gourmet kitchen features quartz countertops, peaceful views, stainless steel appliances, an oversized oven, and pantry. The main-level king-size primary suite is filled with natural light, with a walk-in closet, and a sumptuous bath with a dual-sink vanity, elegant finishes, and a soaking tub. You'll find another main-level bedroom and powder room. On the upper level, the large, open bonus room is perfect for work, your hobbies, a media room, or family fun. The new wraparound porch with pavers and lighting is perfect for year-round entertaining. Other features include a garden, chicken coop, 4-car garage to include RV storage, and potential for extension of the second floor. A golf course, grocery stores, coffee shops, and restaurants are just minutes away. An exceptional modern farmhouse. It's ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Theresa Monahan with Premier Property Group.